How to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 slow or lagging problem easy and fast in 2022 or in 2023. So all what you have to do, guys, is simple. Just go down here and then go to settings, and now you will find some options right here. Go to privacy. After you go to privacy, now all what you have to do is, as you can see on this side, you will find some options. All what you have to do is choose one of these, for example calendar, and make it off like this, and go to phone calls, make it off like this. After you finish all those options, then go back to your home screen and go down here, click on your right mouse and open the task manager. Now all what you have to do is close the apps that you don't need by clicking on your right mouse and click on end task. After you finish, everything is gonna be good. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.